This might be the most surprising train in Southeast Asia, a modern high-speed railway cutting through mountains in a country where travelers used to spend 6 hours on dangerous mountain roads. Today we're taking the train from Vang Vieng to Luang Prabang, but here's the catch. Getting a ticket on this train is way harder than most people expect, and if you don't know exactly how to book it, you might not get a ticket at all, and many travelers don't figure that out until it's too late. Today I'm showing you exactly how to book Laos train tickets, what the experience is really like, and the mistakes travelers make when riding the Laos high-speed railway. Later in this video I'll show you the seat trick travelers are using to get tickets even when the train is sold out, and whether this train is actually worth it. Let's start in Vang Vieng. For years, traveling across Laos meant slow buses, winding mountain roads and unpredictable travel times. Then everything changed with the Laos-China Railway. Suddenly, places that felt far apart became incredibly close, and the journey between Vang Vieng and Luang Prabang is now one of the fastest routes in the country. But here's what most travel guides don't tell you. The hardest part isn't the train ride, it's getting on the train. The first time travelers arrive at the station in Vang Vieng, they expect something small. Instead, it feels like an airport. Security checks, passport checks, luggage scanners, and if you arrive too late, the gates close early. That's a mistake a lot of travelers make. Important tip: arrive 45 to 6 minutes before departure. So how do you actually book train tickets in Laos? There are 3 main ways, and one of them works much better than the others. The most reliable method is buying tickets directly at the station, but here's the catch. Tickets usually become available only 3 days before departure, and popular routes sell out quickly, definitely morning departures. This is actually what many travelers end up doing. Hotels or travel agencies can book tickets for you. You'll pay a small service fee, but it saves a lot of stress, and sometimes they even have access to seats when the station says sold out. Technically, you can book through the railway's app as well, but many international travelers run into problems. Payments failing, language barriers, account verification issues, so unless you already know how it works, it can be very frustrating. Remember the trick I mentioned earlier? Here it is. If the train is sold out in second class, check first class. Many travelers don't book it because it's slightly more expensive, but surprisingly it's often still available, and sometimes it's only a few dollars more. There are 2 main seat types. Second class seat, this is what most travelers book, comfortable, clean and affordable. And there is first class seat, more spacious, quieter and sometimes easier to get last minute. Typical prices from Vang Vieng to Luang Prabang. Second class is around $10 to $15, first class is a little bit more. For a journey that takes less than an hour, it's one of the best travel deals in Southeast Asia. Here's something most people don't expect. You'll go through passport checks, ticket scanning, security screening. Also, certain items are not allowed on the train. For example, aerosols, large knives and some lithium batteries as well. So pack smart. Once the train leaves the station, the ride is surprisingly smooth. Within minutes, you're passing dramatic limestone mountains, then tunnels, then valleys. And the craziest part? Just when the journey starts to feel cinematic, you're already arriving. This route takes less than 1 hour. Here are the biggest mistakes travelers make when riding trains in Laos. 1. Waiting too long to book tickets. 2. Arriving at the station too late. 3. Booking the wrong departure station. 4. Not bringing a passport. Yes, every passenger must show a passport to board. And just like that, you arrive in one of the most beautiful cities in Southeast Asia. Temples, mountains, quiet streets waiting to be explored. What used to be a long, exhausting journey now feels almost effortless. But here's something interesting. Many travelers still choose the bus instead of this train. So now I'm curious, would you take the fast train or the mountain road adventure? Comment below, I read everyone. And if you're planning a trip to Laos, hit subscribe because the next video is about the most underrated destination in the country. And almost no travelers know about it.